Hello, welcome Pisces. How you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy, safe, and doing good work. Okay, so Pisces, this is the reading for the month of March 2021. Okay, this is a situationship reading. That means either it is related to career or relationship. Okay, like this is the situation you are going through currently, Pisces. Let's check it out. What are you going through, Pisces? Let's check it out. Okay, I'm just trying to fit the camera like as usual. Okay, okay. You're experiencing a lot of things about the people around you and situations around you. Okay, you are understanding a lot of facts, figures about you, realizations are happening, major realizations are happening about you and yourself. Okay, what are you, who are you, what are you meant for doing it. Wow, you are whatever comes on your way, you are very receptive, you are very much ready. Okay, to accept it. Okay, you're going through a lot of exhausted situations because there is some wish fulfillment which is not happening. Okay, you want a reconciliation, reunion, celebration currently, or looking for celebration or celebrating with things, people around, family, friends, relatives. Okay, so yeah, that's okay. Okay, you are going through a major stress right now. Major stress you are going through currently, experiencing a lot of stress right now. You are clinging on to the past, you are still holding on to the past, whatever happened in the past behind, and that makes you very much disappointed, Pisces. Okay, and you are having a lot of dreams right now. Weird dreams, major weird dreams are happening for you. Okay, there's a new beginning, you are ready to take a new beginning, a leap of faith, you want to take a risk towards something or someone. Okay, and yes, you're ready for taking an action towards it. You think that there are a lot of delays happening related to a situation or a reconciliation, you're thinking of a reconciliation, but a lot of delays are happening, that's why. Okay, guys, that's awesome. Let's check it out, the other things. Also, one more thing, guys, if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have an energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yeah. Wow. Okay, so there's a third party situation. Interferences there, either into a relationship or into your life. Currently, it might be into career, a partner's interfering, or a third person can be anyone, friends, family members, parents, anyone who is interfering into your relationship. Okay, you're not loving yourself much, Pisces. You need to understand that you're waiting for some sort of opportunity related to money related stuff. Okay, you want an happily ever after with a person into your life, like happily ever after. Wow, happily ever after with a person, or you already are into commitment or in a relationship right now and you want an happily ever after with this person. Okay, you a lot, you are thinking to move on, you're overthinking a lot, and at the same time you want to move on from a situation related to career or relationship. You're hoping to make a decision related to a third person or a third party situation. You are going to take a major decision. If there is a third party interference is there into a relationship, then you're going to take a major decisions related to a third party situation. And there are few people who might get pregnant as well. Okay, like, yeah, females, Pisces who are females, they might get a news of getting who was like pregnant, or who is get a news that they are pregnant. Okay, so yeah, that is for women out there. Okay, you are having a lot of courage and waiting for an opportunity, waiting for an opportunity. You are very emotional, you are thinking a lot about marriage, commitment, relationships, and happiness into a family. You are healing yourself from the broken heart in the past, or a situation, whosoever left you out, or you left out someone in the cold. So you're healing from that opportunity, healing and thinking to move on from a situation. Okay, in the past you were guarding up yourself, guarding your walls up. Now you are ready to socialize more. You're ready to communicate, you're ready to talk to people, you're ready to whatever you are overthinking, you're ready to talk to people more. Okay, ready for more of a situationship. Okay, you feel that that there was a sneaky energy, manipulative energy, and you need to have move forward or move away from a situation. Okay, yes, there was a karmic cycle playing its role. Okay, and that's why your finances were not good, or are not that good, and but it is coming into full circle. Okay, or you might deal with a court case. If you are dealing with a court case, it might come into your favor, only for few of the Pisces. Okay, because that also depends that if you are dealing with a court case related to a money related stuff, then it will come into your favor. Okay, so yeah, you are daydreaming a lot about something. Okay, daydreaming about a marriage, commitment, relationship, or thinking how to achieve it, or how to grab that opportunity, how to go about it, or how to move forward towards gaining that commitment or opportunity. It's like that. Wow. Okay, so traveling has been blocked right now. It will be blocked for next 7 months. Okay, I think so. If you are thinking to travel, relocate, shift, okay, that will be blocked. Okay, so yeah, yes, there is a blockage in a new beginning. You are willing to take a risk, but there is a blockage into a new beginning. That's the problem. You cannot take a risk right now. That's the situation. I think a lot of arguments, fights, problems are going on into the environment currently, either into the head, or either there is a fight going on between head and heart, or else there are people around you who are fighting, and now you are realizing a lot of stuff about them. Okay, understanding a lot of facts about them. Yeah, because you are going through some major spiritual awakening. Okay, now you are waiting for an opportunity to offer either, or else you want to offer. You're waiting for an opportunity related to money, or a marriage, or a commitment thing, long term commitment. Okay, you're ready to offer a commitment or long term commitment, or thinking that someone should give you an offer of long term commitment, marriage, relationship. It's like that. Okay, basically it's on your side, so you are ready to offer someone a cup of love, like a cup of long term relationship. It's like that. So let's check it out. What are the universal message for the same? Okay, that opportunity, whatever I'm talking, guys, it will not come this month, it will come in the month of May. Okay, and whatever traveling thing has been blocked, that will you will travel out within next 7 months. It's like that. Let's check it out. What are the universal messages? The first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Let's check it out. The first message for you guys is that I create mindful moments throughout the day, reminding myself that I am love and miracles are natural. Okay. The second universal message for you guys, Pisces, is that thank you, universe, for helping me to see beyond the fear of limits. Thank you for expanding my perception so that I can see what is the highest good. This is true because one of my friend is Pisces, and probably she has gone through a lot, and she is understanding a lot of facts about herself or the people around her. Nice. The third message is when I focus on my inner light, I see the world through the lens of love. Wow. Just go within and ask questions. What is that one particular thing you're meant to do? Okay, you will move away from manipulative energy, sneaky energy, and even if there are long-term commitments, you will get to know a lot of truths about the people around you. Okay, the fourth one, energy flows where my intention goes. Wow. So guys, this was the reading for the month of March, okay, 2021. I hope this situation is resonating with you, and kindly like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what kind of reading you want me to do next time. Okay, I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. But this is the reading. That means situationship means that this situation is going currently with you, either into your personal life or into your career life. Okay, so it will be resonating somewhere. Okay, so like it's a situation you are dealing with currently, either in career or relationship or financial life. Okay, So yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care.